Where do you live?
你住哪里？40点。
Can you speak English?
你会说英文吗？41点。
Are you sure?
你确定吗？42点。
May I have your business card or address and telephone number?
请给我你的名片或是地址电话好吗？43点。
Excuse me, how can I get to this address?
请问到这地址怎么走？44点。
How much?
多少钱？45点。
How far?
有多远？46点。
How long?
要多久？47点。
Do you have the time?
你知道现在几点吗？48点。
What time is it?
你知道现在几点吗？49点。
Is Mr. White at home?
怀特先生在家吗？50点。
May I speak to Mrs. Brown?
我找布朗太太。51点。
Could I visit you tomorrow?
我明天能拜访你吗？52点。
Are you free?
你有空吗？53点。
Please come in.
请进。54点。
Please put on these slippers.
请穿拖鞋。55点。
Make yourself at home.
请不要拘束。56点。
Would you like coffee or tea?
要喝咖啡还是茶？57点。
Some more crackers.
要不要再吃些饼干？58点。
I hope you like Chinese food.
希望你喜欢中国菜。59点。
Why don't you stay for night?
你何不在这过夜？60点。
Please stay longer.
请待久一点。61点。
I hope that you will come more often.
希望你以后更常来。62点。
You can come visit us anytime.
你可以随时来找我们。63点。
We certainly enjoyed your company.
和您在一起，我们十分愉快。64点。
Come visit us again.
要再来拜访我们。65点。
See you again.
再见。66点。
We just arrived from Taiwan.
我们刚从台湾搬来。67点。
May I use your telephone? Mine is out of order.
能不能借用你的手机？我的故障了。68点。
When you have time, please come over for a chat.
有空请过来聊一聊。69点。
Hello, sir. Is Mrs. Lee at home?
你好，请问李太太在家吗？70点。
I come from Dow Center.
我是盛唐来的。71点。
Could I visit him/her?
我能拜访他吗？72点。
You are our good friend.
你是我们很好的朋友。73点。
Thank you for your help.
谢谢您的帮忙，
I appreciate your kindness and support.
很感激你的照顾。
Please come to Dow Center when you have time.
有空请常来盛唐。74点。
Can you come here to study the Buddhist religion?
请来学习礼节。75点。
Please come here and study the truth when you have time.
有空请来研究道理。76点。
Today our teacher will talk about the good truth.
今天我们讲师要说很好的道理。7点
If you had any questions about Tao, please ask me.
有任何问题可以提出。7、8点
I greatly appreciate you giving me a chance.
感谢你给我这个机会。7、9点
This is our first time to be here.
我们初来此地，
Language is not easy for us.
语言不通顺，
Please help us.
请多帮忙。80点
Thank you for your kindness.
感谢慈悲。81点
All thanks to the Lord.
感谢上天。82点
Could you invite more people to come to our center?
请您多找人来佛堂好吗？83点
All of your family are doing charitable things.
你们家都在做善事，
Such people and family will be blessed with happiness and health.
上天会保佑这样的人幸福健康。84